Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Action, Karma Yoga, Chapter 3, Shloka number 34. Attachment and aversion for the objects of the senses abide in the senses. Let none come under their sway, for they are his foes.
Chapter 3, Shloka 34. Indriyasyendrasyaarte रागद्वेषौ व्यवस्थितौ तयोर्न वशमागच्छेत् तौ ह्यस्य परिपन्थिनो.
Chapter 2, Shloka number 34. If everyone has and follows his unique nature, then how can teaching help us? Is now explained. It is the duty of every teacher to not only point out the weaknesses but also the strength, the state of perfection, and the ways and means of achieving it. This is the way he blesses others. Attachment and aversion make us weak within. The senses are not independent to create any problem for us if the stimuli received doesn't reach within. We get agitated when the stimuli reaches within and causes waves of sorrows in the mind. The mind categorizes certain stimuli good and others bad, and then is attached to the good ones and is averse to the opposite ones. After the plurality has been created, it suffers the problems of life. It courts what it is attached to and runs away from the things of its own aversion. This is the excitement of the mind which it suffers. This is the truth of life of ignorance. The teacher, after stating the problem, does not advise to run away from the sense objects, which are brought in by the body, mind, and intellect equipment, but to live amongst the situations as a master instead of as a slave. To live free of attachments and aversions is to live as a master. The likes and dislikes belong to the ego and are caused by the vasanas. When we act without ego, the vasanas get exhausted. As long as the vasanas are there, the flow of thoughts called mind remains. When the vasanas have ended, the mind also ends. The reflection of consciousness, which was appearing as ego, also ends. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. Free book and e-book of the Holy Gita, commentary by Swami Chinmayananda, available. To understand Gita, join Chinmay Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmay Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.